Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you for joining in. I can see attendees joining in. Thank you for everyone who has joined already to the session. We are all doing well. Thank you for showing the reactions. Thank you so much. Just wait, let us wait for a couple of minutes, let others also join, and then we will be starting the exciting webinar session soon. Thank you, Nanda. Thank you, Rajni. Thank you, Rajesh, for joining. Thank you, Rukesh, for joining in. Thank you, Butler Engineering, for joining in. Thank you, Naufal. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you, Sayan. Thank you, Shavana. Thank you, Sneh, for joining in. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and let others join. We will be soon starting the exciting journey of mastering the sales cycle in CRM. Can you all let me know if you are able to see my screen and is my voice loud and clear? Thank you, Justina, for joining in. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm very delighted to have this session with you all today on a Friday morning. And of course, I wish that this session goes better, and I will be answering all your questions if you have any at the end of the session. And try to make this session interactive anytime in the middle of any PPT presentation. If you're having any questions, you can just put your questions in the Q&A. Okay, and my team will be responding to those answers, and also I'll be addressing to those questions. So let's start. Welcome to an enlightening webinar designed to equip the business owners and entrepreneurs with the knowledge and strategies to excel in the realm of customer relationship management (CRM). Our aim today is to delve into the best practices that can transform the way you engage with your customers, drive growth, and ensure the success of your business. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Mrs. Neha Manu. As Customer Success Associate at Zopreneurs, I have had the privilege of working closely with small and large scale business owners to help them harness the power of CRM to achieve their goals along with my wonderful team. But today, the spotlight isn't on me, it's on the valuable insights and strategies that I'm eager to share with you. In this session, we'll explore the best practices to optimize the lead generation, nurture leads, and accelerate deal closures. Together, we'll uncover the secrets to building lasting customer relationships, optimizing your sales and marketing efforts, and navigating the challenges that are unique to businesses in today's competitive marketplace. So without further ado, let's embark on this journey to enhance your CRM capabilities and supercharge your business for success. Allow me to put up the webinar agenda for today's webinar, which will be lasting for 1 hour. The introduction is basically the introduction that I'll be giving you on what is our organization all about and what it does for you. Next will be the understanding the lead to deal journey. I'll take you through the system and show you how a lead and deal, like converting a lead from deal, how it goes on, how you can process that journey, how you can make a flow there to process your lead to deal. The next would be exploration of 3 transformative stages, that is from a lead to a contact, then to a deal conversion. Okay. Next are some of the success stories I'll be sharing with you where the clients have used the Zoho CRM and they have seen the increase in their sales and market space. Overcoming challenges in implementing sales process measuring will be the next topic, where you can also see what are the challenges you might face and how to overcome it using the deal sales pipeline. The next would be success and key metrics in lead to deal journey. So how to record your success or key metrics, the KPIs, the dashboards, the reports, everything in your lead to deal journey as a summary in your CRM. Next, but not the least, will be the QA session where you can post up your questions to me in the QA session and ask me any questions that you want to be clarified. Okay, so are we good to start the webinar today? Do let me know with the reactions, thumbs ups. Okay, I feel very excited, like everyone is excited today. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for reacting. Welcome to Zopreneurs, your trusted partner in the heart of Dubai. As an award-winning Zoho partner, we take pride in our mission to empower businesses to achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and growth. Our core objective is to enhance the way you do business, ensuring that you harness the full potential of automation while adding exceptional value to your unique business requirements. With Zopreneurs, your journey to a more efficient, streamlined, and automated businesses begins. We are delighted to share some of our remarkable achievements and recognitions that have enriched our journey at Zopreneurs. We were recognized as a key business contributor at Zoho Inspire 2024. We were also recognized as key business contributor awarded by Padma Shri Sridhar Vembu at Zoholics 2023. 2022 was a great year for being awarded for Zoholics for Partner of the Year, Zoho Enthusiast. Our CEO, Mr. Satyan Babla, was one amongst the panelists at Zoholics 2021. That is a really remarkable journey for us. Over the 3 years, we have just grown to a very large business. and we have become the advanced partners of Zoho. So yes, we turned now just like 1 month before we got this, and we are officially now the advanced partners of Zoho. Congratulations on that to us. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. So the first thing I would start is understanding the lead to deal journey, relationships. I hope I just want to know who are all already using CRM in their business, like or like planning to start using CRM for their business growth. You can let me know in the chat session. You can put up your answers. Yeah, we have also posted a poll where you can respond. Have you previously used Zoho CRM for managing your sales processes? I see answers coming up. Okay, there are many new people who are like new to Zoho. I wish that this session is really eye-lightening for you so that you start using Zoho CRM for your businesses. Sure. Okay, I can see many are new, so I'll be making sure that I truly give you that insights of CRM, what can be done in that. Okay, so the next thing is understanding the lead to deal journey relationships. Yes, the main point when you actually come to CRM is to improve your sales process, basically to improve your sales in your organization, improve the sales in your business, and see what is happening inside of your business, right? So the first step that you would take when you are going to have CRM for your business is basically generating leads. Leads can be generated in various ways. You can generate leads from a networking event that you attend, or by posting campaigns, by posting ads in your social media applications. Anywhere you can generate a lead. A business card could also become a lead for you in CRM. So the leads generation stage marks the beginning of the sales process where businesses identify and attract potential customers. This involves various strategies and tactics such as inbound marketing, outbound prospecting, social media engagement, and networking events. By generating a steady stream of qualified leads, business can lay the foundation of future sales opportunities. The next step after once you put down the leads in your system would be qualifying the leads, right? So how do you qualify a lead? It can be variant according to the organization's respective. Some organization can do it on a budget perspective, some can do on an authority, some can do on the need perspective, some can do on the timeline perspective. So it can vary for each and every organization. Basically, any organization would follow the BANT chart, BANT process. Basically, it is budget, authority, need, and timeline. If your lead is going to be converting to an opportunity in future for you, you would be going across all these points to understand their requirements, their specific needs, what is their pain points, and everything to implement the system or implement your business to them for the utmost deliverable for your customer, right? So once the leads have been generated, the next step is to qualify them based on their level of interest, fit, and readiness to buy. Lead qualification involves assessing factors such as budget, authority, need, and timeline, which is the BANT process, to determine which leads are mostly likely to convert into a paying customers. By prioritizing the qualified leads, sales teams can focus on their efforts on prospects with the highest likelihood of closing the deals, right? The next would be opportunity management. In the opportunity management stage, that is the deal management stage, the qualified leads are converted into sales opportunities or deals within the CRM system. This involves creating and managing records for each opportunity, tracking interactions, updating deal stages, and assigning tasks to new team members. By effectively managing opportunities, sales team can move prospects through the sales pipeline and increase their chances of closing the deals. Okay. So when you are qualifying a lead, then it gets converted to a contact. Then when a contact is ready to do a business with you, that is when you enter into a deal where you are going to create different pipeline stages that you have to follow through to make that deal a closed one, which is revenue coming into the business, right? Next is the pipeline analysis. So pipeline analysis is the major thing an organization should always carry, because when you have started communicating with your client, is that when the client is going to be marking your process. He's going to record your process, how you're going to take my order to make it deliver to me, right? So the process you're going to define is the major thing that will have all the automations, all the field related automations, or any emails going out to the clients, any emails going to the internal team, any task assignments, everything can be done here in the sales pipeline. So pipeline analysis involves reviewing the sales pipeline to assess its health, identify the bottlenecks, and prioritize actions to drive progress. This includes analyzing key performance indicators, that is KPIs, such as pipeline velocity, the conversion rates, the win rates, the deal value, right? By gaining insights into the sales pipeline, business can make data-driven decisions to optimize their sales process and maximize the revenue potential, right? I hope you all agree with this, right? Show me some reactions. Right, great. Great, great. The next would be after once you have created a deal in the system and you are getting revenue, your process is going on and your team is happy with the process and the deals coming in, the sales happening, right? The next would be the forecasting and reporting on a management perspective. So what a management would like to see is, I have set up a CRM system for my organization, but where is the sales happening? Where is the revenue coming in? What is the progress that I'm having after implementing CRM, right? So that would be questions from a management perspective. For that, we have forecasting and reporting. Basically, there is a module set up in CRM which has different set of reports that can be customized based on the user's needs. And also there are dashboards that can view you and summary of your CRM system, basically everything in CRM system, which can be calculated on a bar graphics or like charts, tables, etc. So you can determine the dashboards that way as well. So the forecasting and reporting plays a crucial role in predicting the future sales performance and measuring the effectiveness of sales efforts. Sales forecasts provide insights to expected revenue, deal closures, and sales trends, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and allocate resources effectively, right? Reporting allows sales team to track the progress, monitor the KPIs, and identify areas for improvement, helping them stay on track towards their sales goals, right? So every management, of course, after implementing a system for the sales strategy to increase, of course, they will be needing the forecasting and reporting, which is very much needed as an organization's head, right? That can be done from the reporting and dashboards perspective. The next is the continuous improvement. Basically, once a system is involved, once a system is implemented for your organization, say CRM should be adhered to be changed. Like it should be adhered to the modifications that would be coming up in your organizations or the enhancements that you want to do. Suppose like you have a process for starting up. Basically, if you want to implement CRM for your organization, right? You will have maximum of 5 stages in your sales pipeline. Of course, on the future end, when you start using your system and when you get into a process into a system, you can always increase your tendency of the sales pipeline to give you more business, more revenue, and how exploring you can do in CRM, right? The exploring option is more in CRM, and that's why we will help you out on how to explore it. We will help you out with multiple solutions that you can use in your system to integrate it with other Zoho applications and do the enhancement. The continuous improvement is the lead to deal journey is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring, evaluation, and improvement. By analyzing the performance metrics, soliciting feedback from customers and team members, and implementing the best practices, businesses can continuously refine their sales processes and adapt to changing market dynamics. This commitment to continuous improvement is essential for a driving long-term sales success. Agreed? I hope everyone agrees with that, right? Thank you. Thank you so much for reactions. Thank you. I hope the session so far is informative and it is helping you to know what CRM can do for your business. Okay, so let's start with the next topic of the day, which is the exploration of 3 transformative process flows. Let me introduce you to the CRM system, how it looks. Okay, so this is how the CRM screen looks. I hope everyone is able to see my screen. Do let me know with thumbs up once you're able to see the screen. Okay, I hope that everyone is able to see the screen. So let me introduce to the CRM. This is how the CRM system is gonna look like. Basically, your magic to sales, right? So all these modules you see here is what we are discussing today. So the leads, the contacts, accounts, the deal. Basically, these are the 4 modules that can be customized on your organization's respective pain points or their requirements and everything, and make your sales grow, right? Make your business grow, make your small business, large business, anything to grow more, right? Get in revenue. So the first thing would be the leads management. So basically the leads, okay, let me take an example that you're attending a networking event, okay, and you're getting a lead there, okay. Say for that you are meeting someone in your networking event and someone is giving you a business card, okay. That person might change to a deal in future with you, right? You come home or like you come back to your office, you can install the CRM mobile application right there. Whenever he places you with the business card, you can scan the business card and all the information gets to your CRM system as a lead, or you can go and create a lead right there and put it in the system. So we can customize the system based on the organization needs. I would suggest few suggestions now which can help you, which can be done in CRM. Okay, so whenever you are attending this networking event and someone places you with a business card, you record it in the system, you put it in the system. Okay, once the lead is created in the system will automatically, we can configure like to automatically generate a customer profile to them on their email and send a WhatsApp message, send an SMS, anything. So these things can be automated. Once you just create a lead, this automations goes on right away. The person would have not even moved from you, but he would have got all your company information in their phone. So that's exciting, right? Getting to know, like marking the customer there itself within highlighting feature will help you get a business with that person, right? So next, once the lead is created, leads can be, yes, of course, you can generate leads using your social campaigns, using your other where like ads, anywhere where you're posting your organization's ads or advertisements, anything. Even if someone fills forms in your websites, anything can be converted to a lead in CRM. CRM has multiple options of integrations. Of course, it is bounded to some of the applications, but again, you can integrate multiple applications, and Zoho also facilitates with you with multiple applications itself. Like Zoho has Zoho campaigns, Zoho forms, Zoho social, everything can be integrated with CRM. This is how you can get a lead in the system. Now, when will the lead get converted to a contact or an account or a deal, right? Now, once you have created a lead in the system, you go back to your office the next day or the day when you want to follow up with this particular lead. You contact them, you call them by phone, or you create a meeting with them, you schedule a meeting with them, right? In that meeting, you will be getting to know more about that customer. You will be getting to know more about his interest, his pain points, what your business can do to help him, and other things, right? So that is when you have contacted a person, and that becomes your contacts in CRM. Basically, if he is a business owner who's handling a business, his company information goes into the accounts module. If he is an individual, he stays in the contacts module. So once you convert a lead to contacts, everything from the leads gets moved to contacts. And if the contact person has a company or is a point of contact from a company, it goes to the accounts module. Okay. So now when a contact is created in system and you know what are the requirements, the basic requirements, basically, maybe you will be having some qualifications questions to qualify that particular contact, or you might have few requirements from the client which can be done by you. And if it is matching your budget, if it is matching your revenue, if it is matching your effort, everything, right? You will check on few points and then qualify the contact as well. Once the contact is ready to have a business with you, that is where the contact gets converted to a deal page. So this is how the deal is going to look. All the deals that you're creating will be here. We can customize the deals creation page, everything. Whenever a deal is also created for a customer, you can send automated emails. You can assign tasks internally toward your team, whoever has access to CRM. So basically the task creations, what it will help you is basically in the leads and contacts module. Suppose now the CEO of the company has attending, or the sales manager of the company is attending a networking event, right? And the sales manager has met a person and he has recorded a business card in the system, creating a lead. So you can automate a system in that way. Whenever a lead is created in the system, the salesperson, whoever is under the sales manager, should get an auto task assigned to follow up with this lead. Okay. So whenever the salesperson is going to follow up with the lead, he will record all the notes and other additional things that he needs to acquire in that particular point, right? Then the leads can be qualified and then converted to contacts. And if the business is going to come in, they are going to be converted as deals, right? So in the deals page, of course, there are stages that this is the main thing where you will be actually focusing on, because in the deal is where you can record your pipelines. Basically pipelines in the sense the workflow process that you want to carry for a contact to become a closed one contact, right? The person who is going to give you revenue, right? So the stages can be changed, can be modified, can be added, can be removed on basis of your needs, the process needs basically. And in each stage, we can integrate, we can send automations, we can assign tasks, we can do multiple things in a stages in the pipeline. So this all will increase the process flow that you are having in your company, the increase of sales that is going to happen when you close a deal, right? And also, when a deal is closed, you can send automated emails to your clients congratulating them for the deal closure and the next steps basically after the deal closure or anything. And if suppose a deal is lost as well, you can do automations. Just create automations based on like 1 month after the deal is closed. So to just interact with the customer and maybe they are having an idea of getting back to you as well. So these all things can be done for you in the deals module, right? Next would be the customer lifecycle automation, basically the deals pipeline. This process flow focuses on automating the key touch points across the customer lifecycle within Zoho CRM. It involves a setting up automated communication workflows, implementing personalized marketing campaigns based on customers' behavior, and leveraging data analytics to segment customers and tailor interactions. By automating processes throughout the customer lifecycle, businesses can deliver a seamless and personalized experience to customers, fostering stronger relationships and driving long-term loyalty. Let me allow me to stop sharing my screen and share the PPT again. Okay. So any questions on this particular section, like how a lead is getting managed in the system, how you're going to convert the lead to an opportunity, and how you are going to maintain this customer lifecycle, and how you're going to maintain all of your sales process to bring in the revenue. Any questions you can put up in the Q&A session. I would love to respond to all your answers. Any questions, team? Come on, let's make this an interactive session. You can post any questions. Of course, if I know the answer, I'll give it right away to you, or else we will get in touch base with you to answer your queries. So I hope everyone is clear, right? I can't see any questions, so I think everyone is clear. Okay, I got one question. Can we manage to put the stage field in the lead module instead in the deal module? I'm so sorry, but it cannot be done because lead is very basic. It is just like a business card lying in your table, and but it is not lying in your table, it is lying in your CRM. It's basically an information of the person. So I hope that addressed your answer. We can't do it. Thank you. Any more questions? Okay, I have one more question. Can you please show examples of how a lead is used once put into the systems to schedule meetings, follow-ups, etc.? Yes, I can show you that. Let me share my screen. Do let me know once you're able to see the screen. Put thumbs up, reactions, anything. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to the leads module. And suppose that I have created a lead. Okay. Suppose that I have created a lead. So let me open the lead. This is the lead I have created. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to follow up with this lead. Okay. Or the salesperson needs to follow up with this lead, right? What you can do is we have a related list here. You can go to each and every section to enter the recordings of data of respective particular, whatever the data you want to enter for this particular lead. If suppose you want to put a note against this lead saying that met this lead at BNI networking event. Okay. So this will be one of your notes. You can save this and this will be there. It will be here. It will be showing who has entered this particular notes and when it was entered and everything. So if anyone can come in and enter the notes and keep it here. Okay. The next thing would be if you want to assign a task for your internal team member, basically, right? So you go to open activities, click on this plus symbol here. You can create a task, you can create a meeting, you can also log in a call. So once you click on create task, you can put the subject, follow up with the lead. Okay. And put a due date by when this particular task needs to be finished. You can put a due date. You can set the task owner who will be the task owner for this particular task. And then you can set reminders. You can, if it is a repetitive task, you can on it and set the timings and things like that. Then click on save. So once you click on save, in the leads, whenever you go and see, there will be open tasks. Once this task is closed by the prospective task owner, it will move to the closed activities. Similarly, you can schedule a meeting here itself in the lead by clicking on this plus sign again and clicking on meeting. Here you can give the meeting agenda, basically the meeting discussion point. The location, if you have, suppose you're going to meet him face to face, you can put face to face, or if it is going to be a Zoom link, a Zoho link, a Teams link, a Google Meet link, any link, you can paste it here. If you have Zoho meetings integrated with your CRM, then you can make this an online meeting and it will automatically generate a link here itself in this particular meeting. Then you can put that from and to time and date. Then you can add the participants. Okay. If at all you have them in your leads, you can search for them and add them. Or if you don't know the lead name or you have not like something, anyone else is also going to join from their team, then you can add their email IDs here and click on done. The participant is added now. Now you can set the purpose of the meeting. Then you can put participants reminder, basically 15 minutes before the meeting, a reminder should go to the participant. You can do that and then click on save. Once you save this is a meeting created now. Once the time is ended, suppose your the system clock has turned 2 p.m. here, this meeting will automatically move to the closed activities. Okay. Similarly, calls. So whenever you have installed CRM application in your mobile, right? Whoever you call from your leads or a contacts, basically when you call from the CRM application and you call them from your phone, Once you end the call, it will ask for you an option to log the call. So once you click on that particular option, it will automatically log a call here. So it will tell you how many minutes you actually talked with them, and it will record a call for you. So this way you can maintain how a salesperson is doing his sales. Basically, if he is having meetings with the clients, if he is doing a call, if he's doing a follow up, or what he is doing with this particular lead, right? Once the lead is done, that is when you click on convert. Like, if you are getting to know more about the person, if he is interested in your business, if he wants to give you the business, then you convert them to a contact. And if the person is linked with any company, then their account information, that is the company information, goes to the accounts module. I hope this answered your question. Thank you. Okay, I hope the other questions are answered in the Q&A. Thank you for being so interactive. Let's move on to the next topic of the day, which is lead management optimization. So what all you can do to optimize your lead management? So you can have a set of team, that is, you can have sales coordinators, you can have salesperson. Once the sales coordinator and salesperson do the sales, like they get the leads in the system, they convert them to contacts and other things, then it goes to the deals. If the deal is a closed one, then comes the operation team, the operations and whatever is needed. And then once the finance team gets in the revenue, then it goes to the next stage of delivering the product, right? So this is how a process flows all the way through any organization, right? Now, how can you lead management in a better way? What I would suggest as a CRM user as well. So whenever you are going to any networking event or any other event, or any person you're meeting, if he hands you over a business card, or if he tells you that he's interested to do something with you, anything like that, what I will suggest is, if the client is really interested and if he's right away want to do a business with you, then it's better that you always add him under the contacts, because lead is something like a basic very information of that particular person, where he has come in through a marketing campaign that you have run, or maybe an Google ad that you have posted, or maybe by entering some information on your websites, or just when you went to a networking event, he has shared, hi, this is my business card, right? So this is how you can make it easier for you to rectify your leads, make it them a lead or a contact. At the first point itself, make sure that if he is just an information going to be lying on your system, then it is a lead. If he is really going to become a business for you, then it goes to the contacts module, right? Now, in the leads module, you can always create different tags, like how you do in your Outlooks, right? If someone sends you a mail with this email ID, it goes under this particular folder, RK folder in your mail ID, right? Similarly, in CRM, you can create tags where you can add tags for each of your leads. If this lead is a potential lead, you can put a tag there as potential lead. And then on a weekly basis, maybe when the other sales manager sits with you, you can tell him that, okay, these are the leads that are very potential. This can be converted to a contact or a deal in future. These leads are not more potential, but they can be a referral partner for us, something like that. So you can manage your leads with that particular way of tagging them, right? The next would be, of course, about the automations that I spoke. So we as Zopreneurs, we have partnered with Galabox, which is like WhatsApp magic application. So whenever a lead is created in system, or if someone is scanning your QR code, right, your first bot triggers up in the Galabox and it sends a WhatsApp message automatically to the client saying, hey there, how are you? hope you're doing well, and this is the our business company profile, or whatever the questions you want to put in there as a first note to the client. So once he keeps answering that questions, he gets into the lead in your system. So this is how the other way you can manage your leads, right? And then the sales team, basically, it can generate a report based on the lead source, based on the lead type, based on the industries. Based on that, they can generate a report and see which particular leads will qualify to contacts and which particular leads will not qualify as a contact but can be a future reference of deal, right? So these all things can be done in the lead management. Of course, whenever a lead is created, we can automate emails to the clients, we can automate tasks to the internal team, we can send SMS, WhatsApp messages, anything in the system, right? Any questions on here? Okay, let me move to the next slide. The opportunity pipeline enhancement, right? So converting from a lead to a deal is really a big task, and after that, closing a deal is another a big task, right? For every organization, it's not an easy process that is going to be like you create a lead today, tomorrow convert them to contact, and day after they become your client. No, right? It takes a process to go there till there and get a revenue in for the company, right? So you can do a better enhancement of this whole pipeline in CRM, where this process can be automated to a few extent, and it reduces the work of the individual in the company. Of course, knowing that the information of a client is going to lie in one bound system. It is not going to be anywhere in your hundreds of Excel sheets or hundreds of Word documents or any other things where you're going to maintain everything in one application. It is going to be all in one application, that is CRM, right? So whenever a lead is created in the system, you go to the next thing, then create a contact. If your contact qualifies and if he's ready to do business with you, if he agrees to your payment things and everything like that, then it goes to the deal, where in the deal you follow up certain process, you do a meeting with them, then you send an estimate or a proposal, then they negotiate or follow up is done, then they become a closed one or a closed lost, it can be, right? So these all process enhancement can be done. Of course, in the contacts, when a contact is created, suppose their birth, I'll just give a very simple example. You have entered the birth date of a contact person, right? Now you can send him personalized birthday greetings from your system whenever the birth date is coming in. The system, we can automate that. You can send him a WhatsApp message saying that, hey, hi, happy birthday, hope you're doing well for the year, right? Similarly, these messages will encourage your clients to come back to you and see how the process is so automated, how the process is so good for you. You are carrying a process, you showcase that to your clients, right? Based on that you can also automate, say, any contact is created. If you have done the first follow-up, the contact didn't respond. If you have done the second follow-up, the contact didn't respond. The third follow-up, the contact didn't respond. You can create a task for yourself to follow up the client after 1 month maybe, and then send an email to the client saying that we miss you. We miss you that you didn't come back to us. How about having a meeting now? So you can put a pitch anytime in future also to the client, whoever is in your contacts list or leads list. So this will nowhere make you out of business. It will always give you a chance to go back to your clients and pitch them for any new requirements they have, which will be satisfied by your business, right? So this is how you can actually do this pipeline enhancement. Of course, we are experts here. We will help you on doing this, implementing the best CRM system for you out of your pain points. The next is the customer lifecycle automation. Yes, so already I have briefed you about this. So you have to maintain your customers. A customer, whenever he pays, you should be loyal to him. Of course, you should be committed to the work you're going to deliver and other things, right? So maintaining that customer to come back to you again is the main purpose of carrying the business on a long term with them. When you have a certain life cycle set for your client, basically, as I said, you can send personalized messages for their birthdays. Suppose you are owning a flower shop business, then you can send automated email saying for that anniversary, like your anniversary is coming up, visit our store and get 10% discount. Whatever it is, you can do a marketing there, right? You can involve your customers more to your business. They are aware of what you're doing all the times. You can always post on your discounts or whatever you're having on a day-to-day basis. If it's a flower shop, you can know them that Valentine's Day is coming, just come and get this in this much percent off, or like if you're a regular customer, you'll get this much percent off, right? So this all way you can engage your customers again and again to you, so that they are doing business with you and no one else, right? They don't forget you. They know always, and they will start recommending you to others as well, saying that, hey, I got flowers for this much thing. If you also go there and you will get this thing, right? So this is basic example. Of course, this will be very high on a very large scale business, right? It will be very high perspective. So a customer only comes to you again for a business when he sees that your sales pipeline is set, your everything is set and online, right? So here comes an activity. Let's do an activity. I'll ask you to do something. I hope everyone does it. Take a piece of paper and let's start off with an amazing activity. Okay, I hope everyone has this paper, or you can just open your notepad or anything like that. If you're driving, please don't do it. Be safe, and maybe later you can do this activity. Hope everyone is ready with a paper and a pen or a notepad and your hands on the keypad. Yes. Let me know with the thumbs up. Right. Okay. So, based on your organization, list down the key stages in your sales cycle. Just put a point and list down the key stages that you have in your sales cycle. You have? I hope everyone has listed down the key stages. Now, after listing the stages, now you can think about specific actions or tasks for each stages, right? Suppose you have a stage as first inquiry done. So you might have few tasks that needs to go to your internal team when this stage is set. You might want some emails to go out to the client when this stage is set, right? So you can note that down in the piece of paper. So now I believe you would be able to highlight the challenges, even successes as well, right? So whatever the challenges are there, you can always read Zopreneurs for that to rectify all your challenges. And if you're success, all the best for your success. Great. Are we good to move to the next? There are many success stories after using Zoho CRM. I have seen some live clients of us as well who is using Zoho CRM in their day-to-day business. They have been seeing the increase of sales in their structure. They have been seeing increase of revenue coming in their system and everything. So Zoho CRM is a very basic CRM application which will actually rely on your customer and relationship that you're going to carry forward with your customer. So there is going to be a success story if you're going to install CRM in your system. Mastering success and key metrics in the lead to deal journey. Of course, this can be done using the reports and the KPIs, the dashboards, as I already mentioned. So you can put in the reports, you can generate reports on an everyday basis or a daily basis or weekly basis, monthly basis based on the management's requirements. You can generate KPIs based on the system information that is already there in your leads, deals, and contacts modules. You can generate dashboards based on that. You can see in one homepage itself, like what are the deals that are in the pipeline stages, what are the open tasks, what are there the overdue tasks in the system, and other things. So you can measure success and your key metrics by doing this lead to deal journey. So I'm open for any question and answers. This is very exciting session now. I would love to have questions and try to answer them as well. Any questions, team? If no questions, just put thumbs up so that we can move forward. Thank you. Was it an interactive session? Was it helpful for you? Do let me know with reactions. Okay, so I have few questions. I'll just answer them. Okay, you are Zoho Books. We are Zoho Books users. We are currently using HubSpot free version. Okay, so can I know what is your question in this? It's great that you're using Zoho Books, and to also let you know, Zoho Books can also be integrated with your CRM. So basically, when a client is getting converted, we can automatically link that contacts or customers to your Zoho Books, where you can create estimates and send them to the clients, and all your estimates, invoices that you're raising for your client can be viewed in your CRM itself. You don't need to go back and forth to Zoho Books separately and CRM separately. Can we do a revenue forecasting through CRM? Yes, that can be done, Rajesh. How can we migrate to Zoho? Okay, so it's a very big question. Of course, a very big process that needs to be done at the back end. We will be first trying to understand what kind of an application you're using in a current day and try to see what are the pain points there, what is affecting your sales or what is affecting your business, right? Then we can have a session with you and suggest you what is the best possible ways to do it. Of course, if it is a system which already supports Zoho, then it can be migrated based on an Excel sheet. You just have to give us an export file. We'll import it in the system and create an exciting CRM structure for you. Okay, so do you have any case studies on how an organization is using the CRM or a process flow made for an organization or a team? I understand, and yes, the success story section had this, and of course, we'll be sharing the recording with you of this particular thing, which will have this document for you, which will help you understand what are the other success stories that different organizations or teams had when they used CRM for their business. Thank you, Kavita, and sorry that we can show you in this session as we are running out of time. Our team will surely get in touch with you while sharing the recording. We will also share the documents attached with that. Okay, so I am out of questions now. I hope everyone is happy with this session. I hope it was interesting. I hope this helped us all to learn something from today's session. And it was great having you all here. We wanted to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude for your enthusiastic participation in our webinar. Your presence and engagement made it a resounding success, and we are genuinely thankful for your time and attention. Your insightful questions, active participation, and valuable feedback are a testament to you dedication to learning and growth. It's our mission to provide you with valuable insights and information. We hope that you have found the webinar as informative, as enlightening as we did. Your presence truly made a difference, and we look forward to having you join us for future business. Thank you for being an integral part of our community and for choosing to spend your time with us. You can note down the phone number, the email address, and the website. You can also scan the QR code. For any further queries or questions, you can always reach out to us. We are happy to help you always. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. I hope you have a great weekend and the rest of the year. Thank you so much.